What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Grace and your beautiful girl Chima. We are here again with another beautiful hair tutorial. Yeah, in today's tutorial your girl will be showing you a technique that you have to apply in order to do a very clean and beautiful box braids. This is beginner friendly for all those mothers who have been begging me to give them a thorough tutorial on how to do box braids. I have come up with a plan on how to teach you how to do this box braids. It's very simple and very easy. If this is what you're interested in, please keep on watching. First of all, y'all, can you see how Chima's hair is growing? If you haven't seen the tutorial on what I've been using on Chima's hair, I'll be linking it up so that you could go watch and see what I've been using on Chima's hair from that it grew to this extent. Let's go into the hair proper. I will advise every mother to start off with this technique of parting the hair. I prefer square parting because it's so easy to work with and it's also easy to style your kids' hair. Now for the hair extension, section the hair and cross it over and make sure that one end of the hair is smaller so that when you cross it over it equals the same amount as the other two. So now the technique I learned recently, which has helped me tremendously in this box braid, was to do it this way I did it. Don't twist your hair, don't twist your hand. Go underneath like I just did. If you have to put this on slow motion, you have to, so that you will know what I did. So take your hand like so, and instead of dipping it, dip it the other way, and then underneath, and then fix in your braid and braid like you want to do cornrow for about 4 to 5 times, and then you start braiding regular. That will help the braid to fall, and it will also be easier on your client or your child's hair. Very soft on your child's hair. She's not gonna scream, she's not gonna, because it's not hurting. You're parting so well. There are other parts of this video that I showed you. I positioned the camera real good so that you would see how I fix in the hair extension into the hair. So like I said, the box method is the only method I love so much. Like this box method for kids. It's very versatile for you as a mother. You can style it anyhow. It's just so versatile for you. So this is a second time, the third time I'm also showing this video so that you would know how this box braid is being done, like so. This is the third time. I just want to make sure that it's beginner friendly, so that even if you didn't pick it up at the beginning of the video, you could pick it up at the middle or anyhow, so that you would know exactly how to do it.
Those was the best days. High school went down on a Monday. In the hallway, saw you walking slow. Had to come and introduce myself. You knew me though, cause you was all up in my head. You knew you had me when the only time in math class that I dared to touch you. Put on your shoulder though, and when the bell rang, it was over cause we had to go. After a couple months, we had a label. Boyfriend and girlfriend and unstable. You wore my jersey at the basketball games. Bought a promise ring, gave it to you, then we changed. Time came and took our hearts. Before we even graduated, we had grown apart. That was a while ago. I heard you happy though. I always think about you while I'm sitting eating Cheerios. Got me thinking about us. were so in love. Yeah, yeah. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios got me thinking about us. Back then we were so in love. Yeah, yeah. I remember your touch. Now it's hard to fall in love, be in love. Cheerios. The best times, those was the best times. Window shopping at the mall, we were alright. Then all night, pranking on the wrong types. A couple teenagers laughing hard round midnight. I was all in your head. I knew I had you when the first time we both played truth or dare. You said it first, but I felt it too. 3 little words from me to you. Go back a couple months, first day of school, choosing classes just to be really close to you. I think you caught on to my freshman days. Still, I never thought we would be our first mistake. Time came and stole our hearts. Even after graduation, we would drift apart.
So I want you to take a closer look on how I'm going to place in the braid, the extension into the natural hair. So because if you have to pause this video, or if you have to put it on slow motion, please do, because that is going to help you a lot to know how to braid. And why am I putting this? I made this video to be super easy for all the mothers who can braid and can grip hair. So this is going to help you a lot. I want to also tell you that majority of the times when I post a video, I always make sure that I put in everything I use for the hair on in the description. So make sure you go down and read. It's super important. Sometimes I also put in steps. If it's food, I put in recipes, and I also make sure that it is so friendly for you to go over there and read and do your stuff. I am also going to put down the steps, let's say the procedure, or let's say the technique. I'm going to put them into writing just for you. So make sure you go down and read. Is super important.
High school, that's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like classic cereal or Cheerios. Even though we grew apart, we're good in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios. There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl. In her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful.
So once we're done with the braids, I went ahead and I added some beads. I went in with pink because we're in February, month of love. I went in with pinks and some white, because why not? Yeah, this is February, and we'll have to show some love to y'all. And so yeah, that's exactly what I did. And then I went ahead and did her edges, and y'all know the gel I used in making her edges look so fine and all that stuff. So that is what I did, and I went ahead and then show you some styles. I think I made about 3 styles. You can rock the hair, rock, do your thing. So this is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, share, please. There's no harm in sharing. Share, comment, leave us a beautiful comment, okay? If you haven't subscribed, you've seen us for the first time, what's up? Please subscribe to our channel. Chima is pleading, please subscribe, okay? I really appreciate it that you guys have been, making Chima watching our videos, and I'm so grateful for that. And I'm so also more videos will be coming your way, and also like I said, updates on how the hair is going. I'm going to also give you guys updates on what's up with the hair prep I did and all that stuff. So yeah, this is the end of the tutorial. We'll see you in our next tutorial. Bye. Mwah!
My heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you.